Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decoration available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Hami Halloween decoration. This LED swirling lights built inside. It's light up in the evening for the best attraction to neighbors and guests. It is perfect for Halloween outdoor yard garden decorations. At number 3 we have Black Magic Witch Halloween decoration. This beautiful moon phases mirror sets are made of wooden panel with smooth surface premium acrylic material. They come to you in a cardboard box, includes 5 pieces, center mirror 2 medium crescent moon mirrors and 2 small ones. At number 2 we have Goosh Halloween decoration. Goosh Halloween inflatable dead tree with white ghost come with LED lights built inside. The dead tree with white ghost made children's love at first sight. Beside Halloween it can be used as any other holiday decoration. At number 1 we have Pix Fairy Halloween decoration. The perfect design of 3D skull string lights to light up your. They are crazy fun for your decoration and parties. You can choose the lighting style to fit your occasion with just a press of a button. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decoration for your need.